There's something inside you, something quiet but powerful. It doesn't scream, it doesn't ask for attention, but it shows up. Every time you fall, every time you're told you can't, every time life knocks you down again and again, it rises. It's not your strength, not your talent, it's something deeper. It's your spirit. And the spirit, when truly awakened, is unbreakable. We all face moments when the world feels too heavy, when dreams feel distant, when your heart is tired and your will is fading. You might wonder, why keep going? What if I fail? Why me? But here's the truth. You are not here to live a life of ease. You are not here to coast. You were made to rise, to face storms, to grow through what tries to destroy you. That spirit in you, it was forged in the fire. It was shaped by pain, and it will carry you farther than fear ever could. The unbreakable spirit doesn't ask for guarantees. It doesn't wait for perfect conditions. It moves with fear in its chest. It builds with trembling hands. It fights, even when every voice says, give up. You don't become unbreakable by avoiding struggle. You become unbreakable by walking through it, by standing tall when the weight feels unbearable, by learning that courage is not the absence of fear. It's choosing to keep going with it. You've survived things that once felt impossible. You've cried in silence. You've fought battles no one saw. And yet, you're still here. That's not weakness. That's not luck. That's spirit. You may not have everything figured out. You may feel broken, tired, lost. But even shattered glass can reflect the light. Even cracked stone can stand tall. Every scar you carry, proof that you didn't quit. Every failure, a stepping stone, not a dead end. You are not defined by what broke you. You're defined by how you got back up. Let the world doubt you. Let them misunderstand you. Let the odds stack against you. Good, because pressure creates diamonds. Fire tempers steel, and adversity reveals who you really are. This world will try to tell you what you're worth. It will measure you by numbers, titles, and trophies. But your true value is found in the spirit that refuses to surrender, in the grit that keeps fighting, in the heart that says, I am not done yet. And when you feel like you've reached your limit, when your legs shake and your hope fades, remember this: limits exist only in the mind. Pain is real, but it's temporary. Fear is loud, but it's a liar. You are capable of more than you know. Your story isn't over. The page hasn't turned. And the ending? It's still being written. By you. Do not let the world tame your fire. Do not let failure convince you that you are small. Do not let fear chain you to a life half-lived. The ones who change the world, the ones who create beauty from brokenness, they are not the ones who had it easy. They are the ones who refuse to break. They are the ones who fell 7 times and stood up 8. The ones who turned I can't into I will. The ones who were told no and built their own doors. And you have that same fire. You are not here by accident. You were born with purpose, and every challenge you faced has prepared you for what's still to come. So let the world throw its storms. Let life push and pull. You will bend, but you will not break. Because your roots run deep, because your heart still beats with hope, because your spirit, your unbreakable spirit, is ready to rise, ready to fight, ready to win, one step at a time, one breath, one choice, one moment of courage. That's all it takes to keep moving, to keep building, to keep believing, not in perfection, not in ease, but in the power that lives within you. A power stronger than failure, stronger than fear, stronger than anything that tries to stop you. So walk forward, not because it's easy, but because you are unbreakable.